Hi guys, today we are diving into a world where social media meets blockchain. And guess what guys, strategic trading is now within everyone's reach. Ready to discover new opportunities? Then buckle up because we're about to take a trip through the KC and KCPAY ecosystem. Meet KC and KCPAY, two apps that could totally change how you think about cryptocurrency and how you can make money with it. Let's start with KC. It's not just another social network, it's your personal crypto generator. How does it work? Super easy. You download the app from Google Play, sign up, and boom! You get 200 KCP dropped into your account just for entering a referral code. Not a bad start, right? And it gets even better. KC is your ticket to the world of social crypto mining. Sounds great? It's actually pretty simple. You invite your friends, they join your team, and every time someone in your team does something in the app, you earn passive income. Basically, you are building your own network that helps you earn. But KC isn't just about making money. It's about growing your team, boosting your computing power, and increasing your platform currency output. And the coolest part, guys, you don't need to be a financial guru for this. KC is perfect for everyone just starting out in the world of cryptocurrency. Now, let's talk about KCPAY. If KC is your social network in the crypto world, then KCPAY is your personal financial advisor and trader all in one. This app is for those who don't just want to store cryptocurrency, they want to put it to work. KCPAY is a Web3 app that combines decentralization with strategic trading. It's like having a smart robot that watches the market 24/7 and makes trades whenever it spots a good opportunity. That's exactly how KCPAY works. But what makes KCPAY really unique? First, it has 6 different AI-driven trading strategies. Over 3 years of testing, these strategies executed more than 2.2 million trades without a single loss. It's like having a little Warren Buffett in your pocket working around the clock. Let's talk numbers, guys, because I know you love them. With KCPAY, you could see monthly returns ranging from 21% to nearly 45%. Remember those KCP tokens you got in KC? In KCPAY, you can unlock even more of them. How you do it? Through a smart unlocking formula that uses compound interest. I know it might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry guys, KCPAY has a calculator that does all the math for you. For example, if you invest $1,000 every 7 days, you'll unlock more KCP thanks to that compound interest formula. At first, it'll be equivalent to $3, and then that amount starts growing by 3% every week. That's the magic of compound interest in action. But what makes this system truly unique is its decentralized nature. Your chain ID and private key are your most important tools. Keep them safe, guys, like your most precious treasure. And never, guys, never show them to anyone, even if Satoshi Nakamoto himself asks for them. One more important thing, KCP is already listed on a major decentralized exchange. You can find it on PancakeSwap, OKX, or MetaMask using the contract address. It'll be in the description below the video. This means KCP has real liquidity and you can trade it just like any other cryptocurrency. So what do we have, guys? A social network that earns you money, AI-driven trading strategies, and tokens that unlock as you participate. All of this in one ecosystem available right from your smartphone. Want to learn more, guys? Download KC from Google Play or the Apple Store, enter the referral code and get your first 200 KCP. Then check out the official KCPAY website and dive into the world of strategic trading. Remember guys, the key to success in the crypto world is knowledge and caution. Start small, study the market, and never guys, never invest more than you are willing to lose. That's it for today guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.